Do you remember those days when you can put anything on your face and not have to worry? Not anymore. Not in your 30s. No longer was it enough to just put regular moisturizer on my face. Now I had to worry about things like serums, face rollers, SPF. But I'm glad I realized that when I did, because my current skin routine, I think, is really saving my skin. So I'm gonna show you what I use. I also make some bath bombs today. I also step out of the house and do some grocery shopping. All of that and more in today's vlog. Let's start. Hey guys, welcome to my bathroom. As you guys saw, I just washed my face. This is the one I've been using for years, Cetaphil. The next step is putting on a vitamin C serum, and it's one that I picked up from my local Winners for $10. I just put on like that, just a drop there, and then 4 drips down my face. I rub it all in. Vitamin C is really nice for your skin. The reason why I haven't created a vitamin C product yet is because it's really hard to get vitamin C stable, first of all, and second of all, it's really hard to preserve vitamin C. It doesn't last a very long time. So I, as a manufacturer without the proper facility, I wouldn't feel comfortable enough to produce it and have it be good enough quality for customers. So once that is all in, I use the jade roller. For those that don't know, I'm in my 30s, and if you look back enough at my videos, you can find out exactly what age I am. I'll leave it to your imagination. If you have any guesses, leave it down in the comments below. But the jade roller helps with circulation, and the extra blood flow helps with rejuvenating those skin cells. And when you're in your 30s, that is so important because your skin isn't as bouncy as it used to be. I used to think jade rollers were just a gimmick, but ever since I incorporated this into my skincare routine, my skin has looked amazing. I don't know if you guys are noticing, but I'm currently blemish free. I do have some acne scars from previous breakouts, and after jade rolling, I use a moisturizer, and this is a moisturizer that I actually made myself.
I actually did it myself. Yeah.
And it has green tea extract in it, ceramide in it, rose water, all of the things that your skin loves. But as good as it is, sometimes I feel like my skin needs a little bit more, which is why I'm formulating a winter cream with borage oil in it. And borage oil is excellent for retaining moisture, for bringing moisture back to your skin. And that's actually going to be Friday's video, where I show you me making that. And don't forget to bring the skincare down to your neck. That is so important. Then after moisturizing, I add a serum that I also make. And I know I put a vitamin C serum on before the moisturizer, but this one has ingredients in it that help fight acne. And it also has orchid extract in it, which your skin loves. And I spread that all over my face. And when I'm putting skincare on my face, I like to go upwards, up into the pores. And then I use an eye firming serum. I got this one, Pearlescence, at my Winners. And I think it was super cheap too. It was like 10 bucks again. And then I just pat it in to the area. And then I bring the excess to my neck and other places that I need firming. It's funny how when you're in your 20s, you don't really think about skincare, but then suddenly your 30s come along and it's literally like overnight, you notice that your skin is not as bright, as glowy, as, like I mentioned, bouncy. So the next step is the last one in my skincare routine, and that is SPF. And I use this one by Neostrata, and it's SPF 50. Here in Calgary, we get a lot of sun. It's so important to wear sunscreen on your face. But even if we weren't living in Calgary, even if we were in a pretty rainy place like Washington, I would still do this because nothing ages your skin faster than the sun or smoking and drinking. But the sun is equally as damaging, if not more so. And you can see with that tint, it kind of evened out my face a little bit. And on days when I'm not wearing makeup, this is enough. I feel fresh-faced and ready for the day. But I'm going to be putting on makeup today, and that is pretty much my skincare routine. Because I featured that moisturizer in one of the vlogs, that has been selling like crazy, and we've actually had to double the batch. You guys have been really loving the moisturizer. This is where I do my makeup, right where I sleep. because all of my makeup is here in my drawer. Before I put on any makeup, I have to put on lip balm, and I use mine that I've made. My lips get so dry here in Calgary. This is a lifesaver. Before I put on any makeup, I use this primer by Rare Beauty, which is Selena Gomez's brand. I love it. This is also the brand of blush that I use. This creates a really nice base for my makeup that makes it last literally all day. And now that I am all ready, I'm gonna head down to the basement to make my bath bombs. So here are the beautiful bath bombs that I made last night. These Galactic Grape bath bombs are already finished. And this is a mix of Bikini Bottom Bio Glitter and Gold Digger Bio Glitter by Fizz Fairy. I have links to them down below, but Bikini Bottom is definitely one of my favorite glitter blends that they have. But I still need to paint these beautiful Georgian Bay bath bombs, and the way I do that is using a mica paint, which I'll show you right now. And that's what these guys look like painted. And you can see it's a bit of a copper gold with a white, and this whole color scheme is gorgeous. So here is my bath bomb mix, and you can see it's a beautiful white. There's actually no color in this bath bomb mix. I market this bath bomb for skin sensitive people, so there's no color. And an extra ingredient that I add to this bath bomb batch to make it extra soothing for the skin is colloidal oatmeal. And this bath bomb is so simple and so pretty, and that oatmeal milk and honey fragrance just is just perfect for this. Kale is down here as well. He's packaging things, so you might hear a little rustling in the background, but that's just Kale. You definitely don't need glitter and all of the fancy colors to make a great bath bomb, and this is a great example of that. So to press these bath bombs, I'm using my medium round mold for the bath bomb press, and I'm gonna add just a littlest bit of rolled oats to the top for decoration. So this is my bath bomb press machine, and all I have to do is put that mold filled with bath bomb mix into this cavity, and then press this lever up here, and there's a little button over here to bring this guy, the top piece of the mold, down. And I only do one press. Let's unmold. I just give it a bit of a twist, flip it upside down, and out comes your perfect bath bomb. To keep this perfect round shape, all I have to do is place it in the cavity of this bath bomb curing tray, which I got from the bath bomb press as well. And there you go. So here are all the bath bombs pressed and ready to go. They look very different, but the smell together is amazing. But I'm so glad this task is done. I need to go upstairs and have some lunch. Come with me and I'll show you what we're having. I have ramen for lunch. What are you having for lunch?
The leftover taco soup. And there was only enough for me, so that's why you got ramen.
Look at this beautiful day. And I don't know how this happened, but The trees are covered in frost. Even though the sun is super bright, the frost isn't melting, so it just looks like a winter wonderland out there. And all of these packages have to go to Chit Chats. Wow, you're going yellow on yellow?
Yellow on yellow, baby.
I think it looks great. Aw, looks like the soil stayed in there, so that's good. Kayla and I are back from grocery shopping, and we actually took a 2-kilometer walk, and we're now back from that. But I wanted to show you quickly what we got, and this is our grocery haul. Bunch of noodles. Kayla and I really like noodles. We like ramen, fried noodles. Like, this is our favorite brand of fried noodle. And I also really like rice noodles. Noodles are my favorite. I also grabbed some plants from Home Depot because I wanted to dress up my office a little bit, because not only am I using that as an office, but it's also where I'm going to be doing my yoga stretching and my exercising, and I just wanted to create like a cool Zen space. And I saw this, snapped it up. He has a spiky plant hairstyle, and I'll show you how all those plants look like in my office in another vlog, but they're back there for now. And I also grabbed a humidifier to help out those plants in the office. So this is small enough to go on my desk. But we're gonna put this away, and Kale is making dinner tonight. Do you wanna come here and tell them what you're making?
On tonight's menu is beef stroganoff.
Oh my gosh, this looks so good. Beef stroganoff is one of my favorite dishes, and I had a little taste of the gravy, and it's perfect.
It's so good.
Good job, Kale. Let me know in the comments if you guys are also super into skincare, if there are any products that you highly recommend and are your holy grails for keeping your skin looking youthful and glowy. Give me a like if you enjoyed today's video, and subscribe if you want to see more stuff. If you guys are interested in making those bath bombs, the recipes for those are on my Patreon. And speaking of my Patreon, thank you to my patrons. All of you are so wonderful. I think you're gonna be over here in front of Jiggy. But that's pretty much it. We're going to chow down on this dinner. Until the next video, keep smiling, keep being awesome, and keep making beautiful things. And we'll see you in the next one. Bye, guys.